know that your XKR is equipped with its own garage door opener situated in the overhead center console? This video will show you how to program the XKR's transceiver in that overhead console, and it can be programmed to operate with up to 3 different devices. It could be garage doors, entry gates, home lighting, security systems, and any other radio frequency operated devices. But I'll concentrate on garage doors as they fall into 2 categories: the home garage door or gate, or the commercial or apartment doors, and those are called rolling code devices. I'll show you how to program both types. My name's Bruce, and I'm the proud owner of a black 2013 XKR, and this channel is designed to share the knowledge that I've gained while owning Sylvester James. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified about more videos about the Jaguar XKR. The XKR's got 3 buttons in the roof console, and that means that you can program up to 3 different doors or gates. Before you start, you need to make sure that the area around the garage door is clear of obstructions so that nobody's likely to walk into the area. I'll first show you the easiest setup, which is the home type of garage door, and then I'll show you the rolling code device. And you'll be asking, how do I know which device I've got? Well, if it's a standalone garage that only you or your family use, it's the home type. And this is easily set up, as I say. And if you're in an apartment building or in a commercial building, it'll be a rolling code device. These now are the steps for the home garage door. You'll need an operating original handheld garage door opener. That's the transmitter. And make sure that that transmitter actually opens the door. You're in the car, make sure the engine's switched off. Press the starter button without your foot on the brake. That's just to have the ignition on without the engine running. Hold the transmitter about 2 or 6 inches, that's 50 to 150 millimeters, away from the XKR's roof console. That's the transceiver. Choose which of the 3 buttons you want to allocate. You'll need both hands for the next step. Simultaneously hold both the chosen transceiver button in the roof console as well as the original transmitter button. Keep both buttons pressed. The indicator light will flash slowly at first and then change to a fast flash. And when the indicator flashes rapidly, release both buttons. Now check the garage door opens when using the XKR's transceiver button, which is held for 1 to 2 seconds, then released. If the indicator light on the transceiver didn't flash rapidly, or the garage door didn't open at all, repeat the process and hold the transmitter, this time at a different angle, ensuring that the distance is 150 millimeters from the roof console. If the door still doesn't open, press and hold the chosen transceiver button, watching the indicator light. If the lamp blinks rapidly for 2 seconds and then continuously, you've most likely got a rolling code device. And it's recommended that all previous memories are erased before setting up a rolling code device. And if you've got settings and some buttons that you don't want to erase, well then you need to skip the next instructions and go to the time code on the screen now. The following steps will erase all pre-programmed buttons in the roof console, so check that you really need to go ahead. With the ignition turned on, without the engine running, press and hold the 2 outer buttons on the transceiver and the roof console. Keep the buttons pressed until the indicator lamp begins to flash, and that's going to be about 20 seconds. Then release the buttons. Everything that was memorized in all of the transceiver buttons will now be erased. These are the steps to set up a rolling code device. And it's going to be best to have 2 people doing this, and there's only 30 seconds in which to complete step 2, and that's when you're in the car. You'll need to have access to the receiver, that's the motor head unit in the garage, and it'll most likely be only accessed with a ladder. Press and release the Learn or the Smart buttons, and it's sometimes a switch, on that receiver. For the second step, you've only got 30 seconds to get in the XKR and hold the chosen transceiver button for 2 seconds, then release. And then you need to repeat that sequence to hold for 2 seconds and then release 3 more times. It's not that complicated. It's press the transceiver button for 2 seconds and release, and then hold it for 3 more times. So you got to do it 4 times in total. And the reason for the 30 seconds from pressing the learn button to getting in the car to press the transceiver button is a security measure to deter criminals. And you've also got those repeated steps, which is also a security measure. And a quick tip, make sure that the antenna from the receiver is hanging straight down when you're doing the rolling code device setup. And if you don't succeed the first time you try either the home or the rolling code type procedures, try again a couple of times. The rolling code procedure is prone to error because of the repeat process. But then at the end of the day, you should be aware that the differing equipment that you're trying to link up to the XKR may just be incompatible to the XKR system anyway. So there's no guarantee that either procedure will work, though the home type door is most likely to be compatible. And a final word of warning, consider this: the XKR has a GPS that you will have set the home location, and the built-in garage door opener opens your garage door automatically. Think about it. Anyone who has access to your car can set it to drive to your garage door and then be able to press the button to open the door. Of course, even if you don't program the door opener, you most likely already got the remote somewhere hidden in your car anyway that opens the garage door, and of course the GPS takes you home anyway. I hope this video has shown you a bit more about the XKR. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos.